Simple steps to get a higher paying job. Your financial obligations may push you to find as many ways as possible to secure a higher paying job. Here are some methods to temporarily bolster your income until you can obtain a higher paying job. 1. Determine which bills are necessities and what bills you can afford to do without. 2. Sell items you are no longer using, such as unused furniture, old bikes, books, movies, music, and old valuables. 3. Ask for a raise if you've been on your job for a while and your performance has been good. 4. Simply taking on more responsibility and working longer hours may give you the higher income you seek. 5. Talk to your manager or team leader and ask questions about potential bonuses you may be able to secure. 6. Go back to school or obtain additional training that would result in higher pay. 7. Go down your list of networks and determine if there's someone who could be in a position to help you move forward and make money. 8. Look for another job that can pay you the income you desire. 9. Consider taking up part-time work or side jobs. 10. Consider looking into the countless work-from-home opportunities. 11. Open a saving account and earn annual interests. There are many avenues you can take when it comes to getting a higher-paying job. Choose the one that's most beneficial to you and your particular situation and interests.